Last time we talked about a lazy way, I wouldn't say lazy, an ineffective way of comparing strings using ASCII code. We went over the codes 0 through 9, 48 to 57, lowercase a through z, 97 to 122, uppercase 65 to 90, long space 32, period 46. In the event that you don't know the code for a special character or a character in general, what can you do? Jordan. You can simply static cast it to an integer. That character bit will give you your ASCII code. Now, do we have to use static cast, or will it take care of it for you? It will take care of it automatically. As I said, integer and character, they're kind of close in a way they can make adjustments for each other in terms of data type relations. That said, our code last time was to complete this activity. You get 3 input characters. The sum of the characters, if it is even, then we print a statement, some random statement of your choosing. If it is not even, then you print happy weekend. The condition or conditions is to use a flag and a conditional operator. As we have seen in the past, conditional operators or conditional statements are a good tool to create flags. To that end, we defined characters 1, 2, and 3 to get inputs. To find the sum, we used character underscore total. For a flag, we used flag underscore check. As I went around, we saw 2 different implementations to find the sum of the characters. One that uses casting, the other without casting. And C++, the compiler, automatically casted it for us in finding char underscore total. We were at this step where we tried to set a flag. If the number is even, then we will have 0, and which is a false, and it is going to go to flag underscore check equals 1. If it is odd, then flag underscore check equals 0. We tried to print it out to see if things are or were working our way. It did not at the end of class, so we are going to proceed from where we stopped. My custom statement is Halloween weekend, boo. The statement that is required is happy weekend, and we are going to print it if the sum is odd. Oh, I forgot to save. The characters at $. The number is 135. It's printing happy weekend. The numbers right there. 0 through 9 would be 48 to 50. Come again? Yes.
So if you store them in
it will cast it directly. So characters this time, I know Z is 90, so Z, Z, oops, Z, 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 270, which would mean flag check would be 0, excuse me, char underscore total mod 2 would be 0, which is false, so it would go over to flag underscore check equals 0. I am doing not flag check, negate flag check directly, flag underscore check, 0 would become 1, and that's the output we have. And that output is what we wanted. Yes? If it is even, then Halloween weekend, boo. Odd, happy weekend. That not should work if you put not in front of a bool. For some reason, either it didn't work or we were going back and forth with logic last time. At the end of class, Jake said, aren't we doing the exact same thing? But I think we were doing it backwards. Regardless, this code works. It works for an odd number, happy weekend, even number, Halloween weekend, boo, that is any other segment other than happy weekend.